Pawanmuktasana. Pawan means wind in English, and mukt means freeing or releasing. This asana helps in removing wind or flatulence from your intestines. Lie down on the floor with both your legs and hands spread at a comfortable distance from your body. Ensure that the palms of your hands are facing upwards. This asana is called Shavasana. Now moving forward from Shavasana, join both your legs, bend your knees, and take your thighs close to your chest. Interlock the fingers of both your hands together and hold them below your knees near to your shins. Now, while breathing out, lift your head and shoulders till your chin is touching your knees. While doing this, you will experience stretching in your lumbar region. Keep your eyes closed and focus your thoughts completely on your lumbar region. While breathing in and out normally, stay relaxed in this pose for some time. Pawanmuktasana gives you relief from flatulence and decreases the bloating sensation in the abdomen. This asana cures you from constipation and improves the digestive process. Pawanmuktasana tones up your spinal nerves. This asana strengthens the muscles of your back. Pawanmuktasana offers deep internal pressure, massage, and stretching of the highly complicated network of muscles, ligaments, and tendons in your pelvis and lumbar regions. Refrain from doing this asana if you are suffering from back pain or stomach injuries. Patients suffering from hernia and sciatica should refrain from doing this asana. Pregnant women should avoid doing this asana. After staying in this pose for some time, while breathing in, rest your head and shoulders on the floor again. Now, while breathing out, straighten your legs, keep them on the floor, come back to the Shavasana pose, and relax. Pawanmuktasana improves your blood circulation while energizing your nerves and increases the efficiency of your internal organs.